Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lace tint sprays with the Ebin New York Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray. This product claims to revolutionize the way we apply lace wigs, promising a seamless blend with our natural skin tone. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the basics. The Ebin New York Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray comes in a convenient aerosol can, making application a breeze. With a variety of shades available, including medium dark brown, it aims to cater to a diverse range of skin tones. So, how do you use it? Well, according to the instructions, you simply hold the lace wig upside down and spray the back side of the lace evenly from 1 to 3 inches away. The quick-dry formula ensures that there's no residue left behind, giving you a smudge-free and transfer-proof finish. Overall, the Ebin New York Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray seems to be a hit among users, offering a quick and easy solution for achieving a seamless lace wig application. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this product might just become your new go-to. But remember, always do a patch test before applying any new product to your skin. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!